Here today to say that I'll be helping the UDA party in ensuring that your two major goals of retaining the seat come 2027, and also the other goal of ensuring that we register as many people as possible in the UDA comes a reality. And for the avoidance of doubt, we are going to be very, very peaceful. I know that the other camp, they are very good in certain aspects. Matusi mingi, fitina mingi, mdomo mingi, but we are not going to derail from our major focus. Our focus is the socio-economic development of our people in a very, very peaceful environment. There's wacha wa escalate hiyo maneno ya matusi na propaganda na kadhalika, Your Excellency, but don't be derailed. What you have embarked on is a very, very noble thing.
There must be people who believe in him. There must be people who share his vision. But in matters of development, iko. Even kiongozi wa Azimio gani wanaingizwa ndani. Leo niko hajakanya kuzungua raia. Situachane. So, mkiona mwambie sana tutakuwa nuru alafu tutakuwa na ndaro. Akipata nafasi apige. Take your rightful place and check, keep the government in check. Sio? Tuseme ile watu wetu tukimaliza we settle the rest. There is enough for everybody. But lazima tutakipia wakija mweke kwa barabara kwanza msikize kwa pedo. Ndio tuangalie
who has given us this beautiful day. I'm indeed very beloved president. It was equally difficult for me, Your Excellency. And those who listened to you